On behalf of Biocom and our members, I'd like to welcome you to San Diego and the 2014 Bio International Convention. For those of you who are visiting America's finest city for the first time, I think you'll find that not only is San Diego home to some of the world's most beautiful beaches and perpetual sunshine, but San Diego also offers the perfect climate for innovation. Since 2001, the first time we hosted the Bio Convention, the industry in our region has gone through an amazing trajectory of growth, maturing into a life science powerhouse and a major competitor on the global stage. I'm very excited by some of the advances that have occurred right here in Southern California over just the last 5 years. For example, when Bio was here in 2008, the idea of genomic medicine was just a dream because the cost to sequence a single human genome was an astronomical $1 million. And we didn't have ways to easily store and process the huge amounts of data created. Now the possibility of genomic medicine for the masses is becoming a reality thanks to San Diego companies. They've introduced next-generation tools that can sequence whole genomes in just a few days for as little as $1,000, as well as technology solutions to rapidly, cost-efficiently analyze the massive amounts of sequencing data generated. Taken together with new approaches to drug development, we now have the ability to design drugs that are targeted to patients with specific genetic markers. That's powerful. Just as powerful is when we here in San Diego have the opportunity to come together with smart innovators from around the world like you. One of the things that the San Diego life science community is known for is our spirit of collaboration. And we see the Bio International Convention as a chance to meet with others, share big ideas, and start new relationships that could be the starting point for the next big breakthrough for our industry. I encourage you to use this time to the fullest, make some new connections, and share exciting ideas. It's amazing what we can do when we work together. With that, I hope you enjoy your time at the Bio International Convention here in San Diego and our perfect climate for innovation.
San Diego exemplifies what we would call the metropolitan revolution. It's got a great platform for a productive, innovative, sustainable economy. Because they have a great base of innovative companies and talented workers and advanced research institutions.
I really think it comes down to partnerships. We had to collaborate to compete, and if I was talking to any other region in the country and they were asking me the one element, the one secret of San Diego's success, it would be that. It would be collaboration.
It's not government against business, it's not business against universities, it's all of them coming together to power the region forward.
The fact that San Diego's either number 1 or 2 in biotechnology has created a huge industry here. The universities provide a huge talent pool. People want to stay in this environment, so we found hiring new, highly trained people very easy here.
San Diego is a global city. It makes products and services for the global market, it attracts foreign direct investment, and it absolutely attracts talent from all over the world. You don't export unless you're making a product that is high quality that the rest of the world wants, and you don't attract investment from around the world unless you are really good at what you do. And that's the San Diego story.
They came here, not for the gold rush or the glitz of Hollywood. They came here, to the southernmost part of California, to a place called San Diego. Their innovations changed the world. E.W. Scripps and his sister Ellen Browning came from Illinois for the weather and were inspired to construct research institutes, one to study the oceans and the other to study diabetes. Charles Lindbergh came from St. Louis to design and build the airplane he piloted from New York to Paris. Reuben Fleet from Buffalo to build fighter planes that battled for freedom in the Big War. Roger Revelle from Berkeley to study the atmosphere and envisioned a University of California focused on exceptional research. Jonas Salk from Pittsburgh to construct his research institute to explore the basic principles of life. Irwin Jacobs from MIT to teach computer science and engineering, and started a company that changed the world through wireless innovation. Peter Preuss came here as a student from Germany and pioneered an analytical software industry. Ivor Royston from Johns Hopkins to study biology and spawned a biotech industry hub. The Blue Brothers from Colorado and changed the way we protect our country. These entrepreneurs came to San Diego for the sun, the beaches, and the desert. They embraced the diversity of the local people and a proud military tradition, creating a culture of innovation that stitched together entire new industries. And others followed, physicists like Larry Smarr to push the limits of communication technology, entrepreneurs like Greg Lucier with a vision to transform the life science industry and built a company that revolutionized the gene sequencing business. Scientists like Craig Venter, Peter Schultz, and Eric Topol to build their research institutes to better understand genetics and human disease and to advance the discovery of targeted treatments. Philanthropists came here too, Gary and Mary West from Nebraska, to create the West Health Institute to lower the cost of health care. Ted Waite came from Iowa to found the Advanced Biophotonics Center to look inside a single cell. And Denny Sanford from South Dakota to add his name to the Burnham Institute and the Sanford Consortium for Regenerative Medicine to find medical cures. Today, San Diego is home to over 80 research institutions and thousands of innovative companies. So if you have a big idea, if you want to live and work in a place that will inspire the very best in you, we invite you to come join us in San Diego, technology's perfect climate.